Haven't been videotaping for quite a while. The weather in BC has been terrible. As you can see right here, stuff that's been blown down right here. See the wood inside here, the trees have been... Anyway, we're just going to take see how bad it is. I haven't been out for quite a while. You can see the inside there, the trees have fallen. They've cut them up. They put a fence here to keep the people out. They've been camping down here. Yeah, see some of the trees have fallen here. They've actually cut that down. I guess Hydro's done that because you can see the size of these trees. You can see why. And anyway, we'll just take a view up here and see what's going on. See the building up here. Last time I was up here, there wasn't any houses, so anyway, you can see here, look at this, it's falling down. We had a bad windstorm about 4 days before Christmas, and we didn't have hydro for 2 days. It was interesting, it's like camping out. I stayed in the house, to keep an eye on it. My wife, she stayed at her mum's place. Of course, it had to be one of the coldest days. See right here. Oh, they put a new pole up. But yeah, look at all the trees. See? This is not bad, I guess. It could be worse. Alright. I remember the one storm I came through here was 2 or 3 years ago. You couldn't get through the park. It was so bad. So this is not new. Doesn't look this bad this year. Down here, you can see how much they built this up. So that's how low it was. Yeah, see more trees have fallen down here. Yeah. Just after Christmas, the temperatures changed, and like today it's 10 above, believe it or not, which is, you know, at nighttime it's 7 above. So it's amazing how different the temperature. When you live on the coast, you never know what to expect. You can see they've cleaned up here, but there's quite a bit of debris here. Used to be a golf course in here. Oh, I see they got a gate up here. Oh, this is new. Look at that. Last time I was here, this wasn't here. I don't know if you can see all the little birds. Chickadees, maybe? I'm not sure what they are. There's lots of them. Hey, look at that. Look at them all. Funny, eh? Yeah. Oh, there's some people coming. Hi. You can see lots of trees have fallen down here. Not lots, but that's a good sized one there. Look at that. Look at the size of this tree here. This big one. Yeah, you can see all the debris, so the wind has been pretty strong here, as you can see here. Oh, look at this. Not much holding that one up. Hope you don't fall. Yeah, you can see here. So I told you how strong the wind was. A lot of damage here. See that? Yeah, it's a good size. You can see all the brush blowing across here. People coming. Another one falling here. Another path there. So we're just going to go this way, I think. Let's look here. Hi there. Beautiful dog. Yeah, you can see here. So they have been in here trimming. You can see right here. Yeah, lots have fallen down here. Look at that. Yeah, see the they try not to disturb the parks. They'll just get the trees out of the way that have fallen across the path, but they don't do big massive cuts here because it's not necessary. Some of them you can see are rotten. This guy right here, you can see in there a lot of trees have fallen. You just leave them where they are. Hi. See here. Some more here falling over. Damp in here, you can see the moss on the trees. Let's look at the I always tell which way the wind is going. I see the way the trees lean. Look at that one. This one. You can hear the river from here. She must be up high. You see there's lots of snow in the mountains. Aha, look at this. Yeah, they've got it marked for cutting, so yeah. A lot of these people are still on holiday, so yeah, see. Yeah. So they'll just cut that piece out and it'll just stay like that. That's about as much as they'll disturb. Look at the way this here's leaning across. Kind of cool. It's like a tunnel here. You can hear the water, so she's up pretty high. Our winter hasn't been. We've had no snow, which is nice. Had a couple of days, maybe -2 or 3, But I've seen down here, you could hardly walk, there was so much snow. And see, this is from the storm before. This tree had been cut quite a while ago. It gives you an idea how often this happens here. You get some windstorms. Going pretty fast.